Hello and welcome. Hello, and welcome back. All right, guys. So today I kind of put together this little video of all my trade setups and things that I either played in or just found the setup. Jotted it down. These videos are going to be a little more in depth in the future. I just was running out of space on my phone, so I wanted to put a little clip together of the best clips and I guess the best plays that I had from this week and just like the best things that I had to say. I plan on keeping these videos just as honest and just honest and straightforward as possible, just so I can learn more. Hopefully somebody out there can learn from my mistakes too. Yeah, and hopefully this is a great journey that I happen to have documented. Right here we have a not necessarily a mistake. I just, nobody could have planned this flag that formed right after my entry. I seen the 1, 2, 3 points, three very tiny swings to the upside, and so I entered a position where I thought would be the low coming down, and it just kind of stalled out on me and paused until it came back up. So it was an honest mistake, but it still was a mistake. In this play, I actually was trying to hedge. I believe this play was actually before the last one that I showed you guys, but basically I made the mistake of buying a call option. I thought that maybe the stock was gonna continue upwards. I can't tell you what it looks like before this day. This was probably about a week ago. It looks like May 2nd. So yeah, I had to hedge to stay in the green this day. Entered a call. About a half hour later, entered a put, as you can see with the profit target. This one has to be my favorite because it was the one that I actually played that was profitable. There's a couple that were green trades, but most of them I actually did not actually go through with them, but this one I actually went through, and I seen a little bit of profits from, so that was pretty cool. All right, so the last play that I'm gonna get into before I end this video is my NVIDIA call out. Now, this wasn't a play because NVIDIA contracts are about $1 to $3, $4 or $5 max, so I was not jumping into this, but I did make a call out. It was about to break that downtrend line. It already had broke the uptrend one. We were touching a major support, so I just kind of went in, put my take profit stop loss out, and it actually went very well, but I could not jump into it, so that was the sad part. But it did play out exactly how I envisioned it would. I actually thought a pullback would happen a little sooner, but it still played out pretty well. So I lied. This is actually going to be the last one that I'm going to feature on the video. Now, this one was a SPY put that I took. I was getting a little impatient. Today was my only day off, so I was getting a little impatient with the little volatility that we had in the market today. Missed all my entries, all the good entries, all the good setups that presented themselves. I'd say today I made fairly few mistakes. I was using all my time frames. I was, following all the patterns, all the daily patterns, all the hourly patterns. As you see, I drew out this triangle, and I figured at this point, because it respected that top, that it was going to come down and violate the bottom, but it did not do that. I was thinking that we were going to come down and touch this touch that support before we went back up to resistance, but we actually didn't do that at all. So I entered a put thinking that it was going to come down and touch that red rectangle. Didn't really touch it, came back up instead. And I could have made some decent profit on the breakout of this triangle, but I thought the triangle was a continuation and not a sign of reversal. But I should have noticed with the 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the bottom right there, I could have seen that reversal coming through. But that's all right, you know. You win some, you lose some.